Lukot-lukot na kayo. Paano ko malalaman kung ikaw yung makikita? Sige, go.
Ikaw na bahala kay director eh.
Sige, hindi kasi ako nakatingin kanina eh. Tapos sisisihin niya ako mamaya. Ulitin natin!
So, papakita ko lang sa inyo yung nook and crannies. Ay, gusto mo yun? Papakita na natin yung nook and crannies itong villa na to. So, this is the entrance. This is what you're going to see pagpasok na pagpasok. And then, diba kahit yung padaan dito is very aesthetic na siya agad. So, ayan. Come to my home! See this? This pool? Go see. Ito yung pool. Yan. 4 feet down to 4.5 or 5 feet. So, we're just going to go inside. Holding area, the living room. So simple lang kanilang couch. It's just a simple couch. This. So this is the kitchen. Small kitchen kasi meron pang kitchen dun sa labas. Ay, meron sila mga pots and pans. Come here. So you can see. Ay, meron sila mga plato. Okay. Ay, meron yung cutleries. What's this? Ay, madami. Okay, yun lang. Then we have, joy and everything. This is the small bathroom. Or CR lang, comfort room. Yeah. Hi! Tapos meron silang small karaoke dito. Yan. Tapos, yung design niya. Dito sa living room, walang aircon. So, meron tayong fan. So, this is the smaller room, which is so, meron ditong loft, anong tawag dito? Sa gantong bed?
Double deck.
Double deck. So, pwede dito dalawa. Tapos, meron din dito, may napupul. Yan, ganyan. Pupul mo siya. Malaki naman yan. So, later, what we're going to do is, magda-drawlats kami kung sino yung unang makakapili ng tutulugan. So, mamaya, surprise kung sino yung mga magkakatabi. Okay? Close na natin to. Ay, pakita pala natin to. This is our makeshift, what do you call this? Christmas tree. Dahil may mga dyan namin nilagay.
Ikaw pala si James.
Wala kasing Christmas tree dito, so I made do. Okay? This is the bigger room. This is the bonggang room. So let's come in. Walang people. And Serlene, yeah, this is the room. This is the bed. It's so big. Anong size to? King size? King, I think. King size. And then we have this TV. Meron din tayo dito pang OOTD na very pretty. Okay, and this one, I'm going to show you this. This is so pretty. May tao dito? Okay, come. Ah! What is that? Oh my gosh! Come in! Look at this tub! Piling ko kasha ko dyan. So pretty!
Look at this tub.
Bakit mo yung this one? Ano ba to?
I got this one.
Ay, walang laman. Akala ko meron siyang living toilet. This wala. So pretty! Ay, ito! Look at this!
Wow! Yung mga nakita.
Ngayon mo na nakita?
Oo.
Wow! Hindi natin ito. Tingnan mo para elevator. Mga anong floor mo? This one, we're going to open it. Oh, so pretty! Let me open this one. Ay! Yan! Yes! So, yun lang yan. It's a loop. Then, ito yung dining room. Kind of. Ano ito, Pink?
Stove?
Is this a grilling station? Hindi naman. Bala ko ditong dito tayo kakain talaga. Pero kailangan pa ng dalawang lamesa. Tapos din tayo maglalagay ng food.
Okay.
Right? And then, ito yung nila, kitchen. So, we have the stove. Okay, stove. Meron sila dito extension cord. Water and the ref. So may ref din sila dito. Ayan, let's go inside upstairs. Meron silang doors.
Sino po sila?
Look at the view!
It's raining all
Wow!
Look at those things. Wow. So pretty.
And then, ayan, malaking space lang talaga dito sa taas. Ano tayo dito? Basta dito mag-breakfast. Ah, ang ganda. Maganda siya. Ayan, so yun lang, very simple. Tapos yung neighborhood. Yeah. Okay, so yun lang naman yung yun lang yung kabuuan nitong villa. So it's very pretty. It's Wayan Villa. Check nyo sa Facebook. And book it. So yun. Bye!